Guilin Guiye Machinery Co., Ltd. is a global professional manufacturer of six-face top hydraulic presses and a standing director unit of the China Superhard Materials Industry Association. The company is located in Guilin, China, known for its stunning landscapes, with a registered capital of 540.8 million yuan and a current staff of 220. The company has strong technical capabilities, complete production equipment, and advanced testing, measurement, and monitoring methods. It is qualified as a national high-tech enterprise, has a provincial-level enterprise technology center, owns 21 national patents, and has received 3 high-tech product awards in Guangxi, as well as an honor for a famous brand product in Guangxi. The company is certified under GB T19001 2016, ISO 9001 2015. Guiye's presses have obtained the European Union CE Safety System certification for export. Guiye Machinery independently develops and produces a complete range of press models with diverse structures, fully meeting the needs of various Superhard material products. This includes the smaller cylinder diameter specialty 500-560 type press, the classic medium cylinder diameter 650 type press, and the uniquely designed large cylinder diameter, powerful and stable 750 and 850 type presses. In recent years, the company has always been one step ahead in the development of new products for large diameter, high tonnage presses, maintaining a leading position in the industry. Guiye Machinery boasts the most professional technical R&D team, the most international marketing team, and the highest quality after-sales service team. We are dedicated to providing domestic and international customers with personalized and comprehensive solutions, including factory design, electrical installation, equipment layout, product selection, tooling equipment, training and use, maintenance guidance, etc. Every part of Guiye's presses is precisely machined by CNC equipment. Key mating surfaces undergo special hardening and polishing processes. Multiple inspections strictly control the quality of raw materials and processes, ensuring that each piece is a fine product and each item is defect-free. Before leaving the factory, every press from Guiye must undergo carbon damage detection, final assembly debugging, whole machine precision inspection, and repeated overpressure testing to ensure the stability and safety of each product delivered to the user. Guiye's presses are bestsellers worldwide, with a large number of users in China, the United States, Germany, Russia, Switzerland, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, South Africa, and other countries. Moreover, Guiye's presses are also used in national scientific research units and university laboratories, including the Institute of Geochemistry of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Zhengzhou Sanmo Institute, Guilin Institute of Geology and Mineral Resources, Jilin University, Sichuan University, Peking University, Yanshan University, Henan University of Technology, Northeastern University, Wuhan University of Technology, Changzhou University, Northeast Normal University, Chifeng College, among others, proving that Guiye's presses are truly at the leading domestic and international level in technology. For 30 years, Guiye has been dedicated to becoming the leading supplier of Superhard material production equipment. We warmly welcome interested friends from home and abroad to visit Guiye for guidance and look forward to a win-win cooperation.